Welcome back, English learners. Today we go to the market in Rome with Lauren and Jeff. Remember Jeff's price? 1 coffee. Today, he pays. And there is big news. Tonight, they cook dinner at Nonna's place. Can Lauren cook? Well, she can make a sandwich. That is all. First, 30 delicious food words. Then, the story. Ready? Andiamo. Apple. A round fruit, red or green. For example, Lauren buys 3 apples at the market. Banana. A long yellow fruit. For example, a banana is a good breakfast. Beer. A cold alcoholic drink. For example, beer for Marco. Fish needs beer, he says. Bread. A basic food made from flour. For example, Lauren makes a sandwich with bread and cheese. Butter. A soft yellow food made from milk. For example, we need butter for the cake. Cake. A sweet food for special days. For example, people write songs about Nonna's chocolate cake. Carrot. A long orange vegetable. For example, 1 carrot goes into the soup. Cheese. A yellow or white food made from milk. For example, bread, butter, cheese. A simple sandwich. Chicken. Meat from a farm bird. For example, a little chicken for Marco, please. Chocolate. A sweet brown food. For example, Nonna's chocolate cake is famous. Coffee. A hot brown drink that wakes you up. For example, Jeff pays his price, 1 coffee for Lauren. Egg. A round food that comes from a chicken. For example, Lauren breaks the eggs for the cake. Fish. An animal that lives in water, also a food. For example, the fish is fresh, the sea is near. Fruit. Sweet food from plants, like apples. For example, fruit after dinner is healthy, maybe. Ice cream. A cold and sweet, soft food. For example, after dinner, the best ice cream in Rome. Juice. A drink made from fruit. For example, fresh juice for the little ones. Meat. Food that comes from animals. For example, we buy meat and fish at the market. Milk. A white drink that comes from a cow. For example, milk, coffee, and a little sugar. Onion. A round vegetable that makes you cry. For example, Jeff cuts the onion. He only cries at films. Orange. A round orange fruit. For example, oranges make the best fresh juice. Pepper. A colorful vegetable, also a spice. For example, this pepper is bigger than my head. Potato. A vegetable that grows under the ground. For example, 1 big potato for Nonna's soup. Rice. Small white food cooked in water. For example, rice is for tomorrow, says the chef. Salad. Cold vegetables mixed in a bowl. For example, Lauren makes the salad, easy and safe. Salt. White powder that makes food taste good. For example, no salt in Nonna's kitchen since Tuesday. Sandwich. Bread with food inside it. For example, Lauren's 1 talent, a cheese sandwich. Soup. Hot liquid food in a bowl. For example, Nonna's famous soup needs 1 onion. Sugar. A sweet white powder. For example, a little sugar goes in the coffee. Tea. A hot drink made with leaves. For example, Nonna drinks tea all day, a London habit. Tomato, a soft red vegetable. For example, 4 red tomatoes for the soup. A1, A2, food and drink vocabulary, real conversation. Speakers Lauren and Jeff.
Good morning, Lauren. Welcome to the best food market in Rome.
Good morning. First things first, you promised me a coffee, remember?
I remember my price. 1 coffee. Here, try this one.
Okay, wow. This is the best coffee of my life. What is in it?
Milk, coffee, and a little sugar. Simple things, made the Italian way.
You sound like a TV chef.
Today, I am a chef. Tonight we cook dinner at Nona's place, and you help me.
Me? I can make a sandwich. Bread, butter, cheese. That is all my talent.
A sandwich is a start. Come on. First, vegetables for the soup.
Ooh, look at these tomatoes. So red. And this pepper is bigger than my head.
Take 4 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 carrot, and 1 big potato. For Nona's famous soup.
An onion? Onions make me cry.
I cut the onion then. I am very strong. I only cry at films.
Noted, strong man. Do we need rice too?
Yes, rice for tomorrow. Tonight is soup night and fish night.
Fish! Good choice. We are near the sea, so it must be fresh.
Very fresh. Fish for us, and some meat too. A little chicken for Marco. He eats no fish.
Who is Marco?
Marco lives next to Nona. He comes to every dinner. Nobody knows why.
Every dinner? Smart man. Free food.
Exactly. Now, fruit. Apple, banana, or orange.
All 3. Apples for me, a banana for breakfast, and oranges for fresh juice.
Look at you. 1 coffee and you are Italian already.
Thank you. And juice for the little ones? You said many people come tonight.
Yes, juice for the little ones and beer for Marco. He says fish needs beer.
And for Nona?
Tea. Always tea. She lived in London for 10 years. Now she drinks tea all day.
A tea nonna. She and I will get along very well.
Oh no. 2 of you against me. Now I am afraid.
Be afraid. Okay, what about dessert? Please say a good word.
2 words. Chocolate cake. Nona's chocolate cake. People write songs about it.
Songs? Okay, forget the fruit. Cake first, fruit, maybe never.
Then we need eggs, milk, butter, and more sugar for the cake.
I can break the eggs! That is my second kitchen talent.
Sandwich and eggs. Incredible. Oh, and salt. There is no salt in Nona's kitchen since Tuesday.
How is there no salt?
Marco's soup experiment. We do not talk about it.
Understood. So, what do I cook tonight, chef?
You make the salad. Tomato, a little onion, oil, salt. Easy and safe.
Easy? Fine. But if my salad is bad, we say the cat made it.
Deal. The cat has a bad name in that kitchen anyway.
Poor cat. So, soup, fish, salad, cake. This is a lot of food, Jeff.
This is Italy, Lauren. Dinner is never small. Eat light at lunch, maybe 1 small sandwich.
And after dinner? Tell me there is more.
After dinner, we walk to the river for ice cream. The best ice cream in Rome.
Ice cream too? Okay, new plan. I stay in Rome forever.
Careful, Rome hears you. Now come, the fish market closes at 10.
To the fish! Wait, first, 1 more coffee. For energy.
1 more coffee. That is always your price, no?
Deal. We are the same, Mr. Chef. Andiamo. A1, A2, food and drink, vocabulary repeat sentences. I drank coffee with milk and sugar. We buy bread, butter, cheese, and eggs. The soup needs 1 onion, 1 carrot, and a potato. She eats fruit every day, an apple and a banana. Nona drinks tea and Marco drinks beer. He cooks fish, chicken, and rice. I make a sandwich with meat and cheese. We make a salad with tomato and pepper. A little salt makes the food taste good. After dinner, we eat chocolate cake and ice cream. What a delicious episode. Soup, fresh fish, salad, and Nona's famous chocolate cake. Lauren's salad, if it is bad, the cat made it. That is the story, and we keep it. Now your homework. It is easy. Listen to this episode again tomorrow. Your ears learn while you rest. Next time, Lauren meets the whole family at dinner. Nonna, Marco, and many, many more. Will they like her? See you there.